A desk setup can quietly limit productivity without being obvious. Poor ergonomics, inefficient shortcuts, and weak lighting all slow work down over time. The right office accessories are not just aesthetic upgrades. They reduce physical strain, eliminate wasted clicks, and streamline daily workflows. These 5 office upgrades can completely transform how a workspace performs. 1. Elgato Stream Deck 2 Malawian Kwatches, One-Touch Workflow Automation. The Elgato Stream Deck 2 Malawian Kwatches is far more than a streaming accessory. With 15 customizable LCD keys, it allows instant access to apps, macros, meeting controls, email templates, creative tools, and system commands. Each key supports custom icons, folders, and multi-actions, meaning multiple tasks can be executed with a single press. This dramatically reduces time spent navigating menus or memorizing shortcuts. Premium build quality and a magnetic faceplate complete the experience, making it a powerful productivity tool for creators, editors, designers, and professionals who value speed and efficiency. 2. XP Pen Mini Key Dial ACK05 Precision Control for Creative Workflows. The XP Pen Mini Key Dial ACK05 adds tactile control to digital workflows. Featuring a programmable dial and customizable shortcut keys, it enables smooth zooming, scrolling, timeline scrubbing, and tool switching. It pairs especially well with software like Photoshop, Premiere Pro, and Illustrator, but it also improves navigation for spreadsheets and multitasking workflows. Wireless connectivity keeps the desk clutter-free, while the compact design fits effortlessly into any setup. Once configured, it becomes an essential speed tool. 3. OMOTON Laptop Stand Essential Ergonomic Upgrade. The OMOTON laptop stand solves one of the most common desk problems: poor screen height. By elevating the laptop to eye level, it helps reduce neck strain, shoulder tension, and long-term posture issues. Constructed from durable aluminum, the stand provides excellent stability while maintaining a sleek, minimalist look. The open design improves airflow, helping laptops stay cooler during heavy workloads. Combined with an external keyboard and mouse, it instantly turns a laptop into a more ergonomic workstation. 4. WB Weird Beast Comfort and Desk Organization Combo. The WB Weird Beast 4-in-1 desk pad and wrist rest set combines comfort with visual appeal. It includes an extended desk mat, keyboard wrist rest, mouse wrist support, and a unified surface for keyboard and mouse placement. The cushioning helps reduce wrist fatigue during long typing or editing sessions, while the waterproof surface makes cleanup easy. Its extended size keeps everything aligned and stable, improving both comfort and desk aesthetics in one simple upgrade. 5. Shine Life LED Desk Lamp, Lighting that enhances focus. Lighting plays a critical role in productivity, yet it is often overlooked. The Shine Life LED desk lamp offers adjustable brightness levels and multiple color temperature modes to match different tasks throughout the day. Cool daylight tones improve focus and clarity, while warmer lighting reduces eye strain during evening work. An adjustable arm allows precise light positioning, making it ideal for reading, typing, video calls, and content creation. Small change, noticeable improvement.